guys, welcome to Mitch's Music. Today we are going to learn What Might Have Been by Little Texas. This is one of my favorite country intros for a slow song. It was one of the first finger picking songs that I learned along with Love Me by Colin Ray. And it's one of those that's just kind of addictive to play. It's a lot of fun. It's a cool intro. It teaches you a lot of cool picking patterns. And pretty much it's just the trick is to just keep your fingers moving the whole time. Before we get into how to actually play it, guys, click subscribe below to check out more of my videos. I do a lot of country videos because that's what I grew up playing and listening to. And if you have a request for a song that I haven't done yet, leave that in the comments below. You can also check my description and you can sign up for a guitar community of like-minded players that want to get better at guitar. And I give you resources. We'll do some group lessons together, have some Zoom get-togethers, and hopefully some in-person get-togethers once this coronavirus thing is behind us. So let's get into this lesson, guys. We're going to start by going through the chords and what's going on with this one. So the first chord that we need to worry about is a G chord. And the way I'm playing this G chord is it's the G with my first finger on the second fret, second finger on the third fret of the low E, third finger on the B string on the third fret, and then my pinky, which for the most part we don't really need our pinky, but just to have the full chord there, I put my pinky on the high E string on the third fret. But when we're doing the picking pattern, we won't really play that note. The next one that we're going to do, so that's G, then C. So C is first fret on the B string, second fret on the D string, third fret on the A string. Then the next one is a C minor, but we're going to play the C minor starting with this E flat right here. So that's the first fret of the D string, and then we'll play this open G, and then the first fret of the B string, and then we'll go to the third fret on the D. So that's the, okay. So, and then just the last part, you got the, and then it goes to that kind of G suspended. All right, so let's go through it chord by chord. So this picking pattern, you're going to pluck you're going to start by plucking the low E and the B string. So let's try that again. And on the one, dun, 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 you're keeping your pick moving. Let's try that really, really slow. All right, and then you're gonna do kind of the same thing with the C. So you're gonna go play that C chord. I'm plucking the A string and the B string. And then I'm gonna put my pinky down on the third fret. And then we're going to go to that C minor 7. So that from the beginning, really slow. C, And so when we go back to the G, so you got the, and then we go to G, play those same strings, but this time we don't have our finger on the 3rd fret, so it's gonna have that more open sound. And then we go to that G suspended. And notice that with the pick, I'm coming back to this lower string frequently. So that's kind of the pattern. And then I do it again. Then C. So notice I'm just going back to that C chord. Then here. Let's go through it slowly, and then you'll have a tab after this video to follow along with. Ready? All right, guys, click subscribe below and check out the tab that goes along with the video. Right after this, I'm going to do a slow version and a fast version as always. See you next time, guys, and leave your requests in the comments.